Hi everyone, my name is Olena, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I earned my first $100 on one photo. Disclaimer first, it wasn't a one-time purchase. I earned this money within 10 months, but in this video I'm going to share with you how excited it was and what was the story behind creating the picture and how unexpected this experience was. History of creation. Back in 2020, I think it was October, I decided that I do not upload pictures consistently and that it's not something that will bring me value. I decided to upload at least one picture every day. One day, one photo. And I needed to go through the whole process. I need to create a picture, edit it right away, add the keywords, and then upload it to the photo bank. So that was one of the days when I was setting up my lights and thinking of the setup, and then this idea came to my mind that oh, it would be nice to create this kind of picture. I really liked the concept, but the way I feel during this shooting, I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? This is not professional at all. I decided that even though it's not perfect, I'm going to post it anyway. And I uploaded that picture. And this is how it turned out to be. By now I earned $100 on that picture. And it feels pretty good. Analyzing why I earned that money, I think of a few things. First of all, importance of timing. That picture is related to online shopping, I'd say, and I uploaded on October the 2nd. It was right before the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I upload the picture that people might need in the months. And if you're working in social media, like marketing thing, you plan for months and you create the content for months. So from what I think, from my perspective, people who started to search for different visuals for their graphics for the next month, they find my nice picture. So for now I know that if I want to hit the goal with the picture, I need to upload it earlier a little bit, maybe in a month or two. It totally depends on the holiday or occasion that people might use this photo for. Next thing I'd like to mention is keyword stuffing. It's super important, and actually I do it the same way all the time, but in this picture I think it's not only about keywords, but it's also about the trends, because they're all of the words are kind of trendy: online, shopping, computer, and other stuff like that. But there is also another thing. I decided, so what if people bought this one? What if I create some similar concepts but with different objects in this picture? So I did it, and that was nice, because once I created those pictures, somehow some of the photo stocks, they analyze all of your pictures and they suggest those buyers another pictures of yours. And since I have exactly the same concept, but I have really different objects and the topics people might use it for, it worked. It brought me around $40, and another, one more picture, it's around $5, but still people are buying it. If you have a nice concept, just think how you can change it, how you can transform your idea. So thanks to that photo I took back in October of 2020, I earned already around $150 because there are different variations I created. This is it. This is how I earned my first $100 on one photo. If you work hard, you'll make it. And if you don't like the concept you have, or you're not sure about it, if you spend time on it, just upload it. Just let other people to decide whether they need this picture or not. Do not be that perfectionist, how to say that word, but you got it, that guy who's trying to make everything perfect. I hope it was helpful for you. That's it. See you. If you watched it till this moment, it's very nice of you. Thank you.